na record breaking season now we dey everybody just dey break record front back right and front for Champions League for World Cup for any league all the league breakable record na dey just dey break anywhere as una know say we say we dey break our record as we say we go comot from outside we go come inside so una no fit dey predict as we take dey do our own things for here una know say no go only me dey run my mouth as usual na my name na Too Unique I no go introduce you.
Yes, so anyhow we don go outside now we don come inside very soon na on top airplane I mean na aircraft they call am na review una go see us. My name na Opemi. As you no wan introduce me, I introduce myself.
If you don't introduce yourself, thank you. Don't introduce yourself more than that. Una know say they say charity begins from home. I wan talk one issue, and you know say this issue as they do me for inside belle, now I wan talk and give everybody. When I say follow me, contribute for this matter.
Wetin be your problem?
Wait now, let me talk the problem. Don't be the one to tell me.
Sorry.
My problem is say they say Nigerian Football Federation Association say they carry budget give our players. Say our players starting from Mikel Obi, in kick and go corner kick. He say why we dey propose that kind of project? Ask me which kind of project be that?
Which kind of project?
The budget be say they say Nigerian players say na earn as you play. Na they only they pay them now. Starting from you, maybe they invite you come play now. You no come play. Say you sit down, you no go collect money. But say they invite you, referee come, your coach come put you 1 minute. Now that 1 minute they go calculate for you. Let's just assume say now you play for 1 minute, they will give you 10 naira. Make I say la line go gree. I want you talk, make we know as we play.
You know say no be their fault. Na as their pockets reach, they won't cut their coat according to their pockets.
What are you saying? Are you supporting NFF or something?
I'm not supporting anybody. Anyhow, wait, my own be say me they no hold them.
Oh.
If they like, make them pay as they earn or make them pay as they play. It's not my business. My own be say make them no hold them. Now my problem.
Oh, people wey play or people wey no play.
People are the people where they invite.
People wey they invite. But why they can't invite them when you know say na no go pay them?
Now their profession now.
See, you are not. Well,
wetin you want me to talk before?
Wetin you wan talk? You are not talking what I'm expecting to talk.
Wetin you expect me to talk? You talk wetin you want me.
I for no even ask you this question. More na even wait first. Number one, who sat down? Shey na Amaju, I want to ask you a question. Is it Amaju pick? Is it picking company?
Be me o, tale me o be. You are asking me a question. Shebi na you dey know everything. Na you be sabi news. Na you carry the matter. Come ask me. I don give you my own opinion. You say no good. They judge yourself
but
now.
But this one
is not
opinion. I just ask for the name. I did not ask for your opinion. Opinion is different from asking for name.
I don't know.
But wetin just dey say make our players make dem no gree I dey una back because as I dey hear now una how person go leave una think say the trek person trek comot for im club come in nation.
Wait. Too Unique. Use the shout up and down. Go up, go for wetin be your problem? Go.
My own
talk wetin your problem be.
My problem is that it is a problematic problem when una talk I no even the thing say I don tire.
Your matter tire me. People wey dey invite dem no dey complain. They even dey happy say I'm coming to play for my fatherland. Yes.
So make I wan ask you one question.
They are patriotic.
Patriotic. So you think money is not involved?
Money is involved. They tell you they no dey earn money for where dem dey.
But how you go play for your nation finish? Your nation no give you something.
Na the new tactics. Na the new tactics. You know wetin dem dey do? They wan try pursue some people.
I wan ask you one question. Answer me with your.
I go answer you before nko.
Person call you come in house. You wash plates. You fetch water. You wash clothes. As you come to go, the person come tell you thank you. Use your church mind answer me now. Wetin you talk?
I go tell am no problem. Make God judge am.
Make God judge am. Well, more leave that matter. When I say make us contribute for this matter, NFF they say our Nigerian players say na play as you earn, pay as you play. Say na I don't even know how to pay. They say.
So you know wetin go happen be say make dem go our YouTube channel, make dem go give us feedback. Wetin dem think for their mind. Say na wetin good or na wetin bad wey NFL wan try do because never do am. Na the thing wey dey dem church mind wey dem wan do. Make una go our YouTube channel, make una go comment for there.
Abeg make dem leave am, but make una comment. Another one I don tell una I say na record breaking season. Everybody dey break record. Number one, congratulations to Becky Stars. Oye. Na dem be why dey shake your now. What's wrong with you?
Too Unique. Answer me as I dey call you. Too Unique.
Yes.
How many times I call you?
Once.
I don try to dey tutor you on how to pronounce teams and names. You dey spoil am. Like now as we dey now, Turkish embassy they wan give us passport. As you spoil their name na nothing.
I no spoil their name. Turkish embassy I no spoil the name. It's still Turkish embassy.
Is Besiktas.
Okay.
Call am here.
As you don call am so, they don qualify. Na dem be the first team for the history of Turkish league to qualify for round of 16. Congratulations for una. So na know say Madrid don do na well because na that pepper wey we send give una na im help una when I take qualify for round of 16. Another record break una don do na that match. They say Ororo no dey fade, Oba no dey go transfer. The record wey im break e too much. Number one, na im be the first player wey go score more than 18 goals for Champions League calendar year. Na im be the first player wey go score more than 16 goals for just one Champions League tournament. Aside from that again, he come break another record for Real Madrid. He don score more than 97 goals. So it means he don score 98 goals for only one team for inside Champions League. He can score another over 113 of record too more.
2 minutes. So you sit down like this, carry all this thing full head. Wetin you sef don carry this 2017?
Wetin I don carry this 17? I don carry pot of soup this 2017. I carry bucket of water. You know wetin I don carry. Even though this year I don carry gym, una no see the muscle, una dey see am. Nothing wey me sef I don carry. I be record breaker. As Ororo dey take the break record, na so everybody say the break record. Person wey wan dey pursue Ronaldo na im be Harry Kane, Mr. Kane. Na im be the second highest goal scorer for this year. Say 2016.
2017-18.
18 season.
2017/18 Champions League season.
Another person wey break record for Man City na im be Pep Guardiola. I wan even ask you one question. Shey you know say since wey dem don dey call this man Pep Guardiola, wetin be the full meaning of that Pep? Think I well know. Talk now.
Maybe na something like perpetual.
Mama dey tell me perpetual Guardiola. I no know the man no wan make.
Because even me I don reason that thing say wetin be the meaning of Pep.
The name is looking
feminine. Na perpetual e go be.
It's looking feminine in nature.
Na perpetual.
Pepeye. You know if you know the meaning of Pepeye, go know the meaning.
Man no dey o.
Pepe, I talk am.
Man no dey o.
He don break record for Champions League. He don win.
Slap dey waka nowadays o. Slap dey travel well well.
I don hold my face. But congratulations, he don win 6 matches in a row for Champions League for perpetual Guardiola. Abeg, who get Kane? I wan flog person today. Who get Kane? That man wey dey use bottle put for eye.
Abeg, leave that one. Wetin happen be say person dey win game, e don win 3 goals down. Person come from behind, na the same people wey comot am for Europa League. Wetin dey do club behind na the goggle. You know wetin dem for do am? For comot that im goggle, leave am for 1 week make e no dey see. Because you know they like to dey see good thing.
No, they say if your village people don dey follow you come from house, nowhere wey you wan pass, if you make you pass backyard, they go still go meet you for the front yard. Na be the issue of Jordan Klopp. When they lose 3-0, wey come still take am, they win 3-0, they come lose am.
Tunic, abeg, mo carry that Guardiola, wetin be the name there? Jurgen Klopp, abi Jurgen Klopp. Mo carry matter put for one side. I don vex, mo dey waka dey go,
as Liverpool dey waka alone, we shall never walk alone. No, we will waka alone. Since then they can never walk alone, but we will walk alone. So now here we dey take the walk alone. So
I walk with God. I don't know where you from. I no understand you.
I don't understand you.
I'm walking with God. I'm not walking alone. Just be we waka. Abeg, na only Tunic, na only and waka come. Me, I come with God, and I'm going with God.
Now your time to waka with God.
As I dey, I no look like person.
Abeg.